This is a composition shingle roof, dimensional. You can see right here the installers tried to save a little money. They left out that top course. A couple damaged shingles, a little repair job down here someone else did, a couple scuffed shingles. Most of this roof looks pretty good, although it is getting older. It's probably over 20 years old here. Come down here, looks like they put in a new service mast recently. You see the mismatched shingles, which isn't a big deal, but they cracked some shingles while they were putting it in, so whoever did the install didn't correct that, so they should have replaced those other ones. Around here, got the plumbing pipe, put the tape around there. It doesn't last very long. We usually like to put rubber collars on there. Got a valley here, so you can see this nail's popping through the shingle, lifted nail.